So welcome again to Dataport Analytics. Today I want to discuss with you, or I want to show you the best AI tool that you can use when you are conducting a literature review analysis, or when you are writing a research, or when you are writing a publication paper. So this tool is called SCISPACE. It is called SCISPACE. It's an AI tool which is very effective, or which is very good when you are conducting a literature review analysis. So we go to this to this AI tool. You just Google SCISPACE, like that, and then you'll be presented by this findings. You can say the first one is called SCISPACE. It says discover, create, and publish your research paper. So you click on the first one so that you can open this AI tool. So this page opens, then you click continue. It was previously called typeset.io, but it is currently referred to as SCISPACE. So when you click on that SCISPACE, when you click on it, you may be required to sign in if you have not signed in, or you may sign up if you have not created an account. Then you will be presented by this particular interface. So here is where you write your question. You write your question here. Yeah, you can write something like what is, you can write anything. Just write me what is climate change. You can just Google anything. Yeah, you can Google anything like what is climate change, then you click enter. When you Google that and you click enter, then this particular software will Google all related articles related to your question, or articles that are related to your question, or articles or peer-reviewed articles that has been published related to your search. So in our case, we have searched what is climate change. So what we are going to see is that we are going to see, so it is at the moment it is searching the database. It is searching at its database so that you can present us all related articles, or all articles related to our searches. So let's wait and see the output. So now we have the output here. You can see now we have the output here. This is the output. So remember, we have searched what is climate change. So now the first thing that it presents is that it presents a summary of the first 5 top papers. Yeah, so this one is a summary. You can see climate change refers to a significant long-term alterations of global weather patterns. So this one is a summary all the way. You can expand it by clicking read more. So it is a summary. So you can see it first of all gives us an introduction of what we have searched. Then it gives us other subtopics or causes of climate change. Then it gives us a source. You can see this is a source. This is a source, or this is it's a citation done by this researcher. Then it goes to impact on environment. Then it is cites. Then it goes on and on. So the significance of this software is that whenever you are writing your research, you are presented with accurate sources whereby you can refer to and expand your research. For instance, let's say you are talking about impact on environment. So this author has actually addressed the impact of climate change on the environment. So you can go and check this author. Yeah, climate change is a defined problem. So you can go and expand your research from that particular author that they have presented to you. And these are accurate sources. You can click on this source, and then it will open in a new tab. You can see that we have clicked that source, and then it has opened. So you can see this is the source. So you can see the abstract and the rest of the paper. So that is the first thing. We are presented with a summary of the top first 5 papers. Then after that, then we are presented with top 10 papers. Yeah, so this is a paper, then a summary or the insights from that particular paper. Then we go to the second one. It's an accurate one based on our searches. Then we have a summary of what that paper was or wrote about or researched about. We'll go all that way. We get 10 accurate papers or 10 accurate research papers done on whatever we have searched. And actually you can load even more papers. You can click on load more papers, then you load more papers related to your searches. You can see up to 20 research papers or 20 peer-reviewed research papers related to your searches. So you have good content to write your literature review using this particular AI software. So that is how you can be able to do your research or your literature review accurately and at a higher speed as compared to when you are searching using the Google search. Thank you.